With campuses in Vijayawada and in Hyderabad, the capital of startup state Telangana, KL brings 38 years of engineering excellence in shaping the complete student. KL University employs higher-order teaching pedagogies, driven by globally renowned faculty. State-of-the-art research department with additional focus on industry-driven skilling have been paramount in attracting 500-plus MNCs to engage with KL, resulting in an impeccable track record of 100% placement over the last 14 years.
At KL University, we concentrate on overall development of the student. Along with the academics, we give equal importance for all-round development of the student.
The faculty at KL is made up of eminent faculty from premier institutions in India and across the globe. With more than 500 faculty holding PhDs and 550 more pursuing PhDs, KL leaves no stone unturned in edifying higher education. Academics at KL are divided between our faculty and a roster of acclaimed international and guest faculty. The usage of teaching pedagogies like flipped classroom, project-based learning, empirical learning, and deep and blended learning, faculty at KL certify a holistic education for every student. Lab taken to class allows students to receive a more hands-on education, which leaves them with a deeper understanding of concepts and practices. Our fully flexible choice between credit system empowers the student to hold the reins of their education. Skilling is about adding another dimension and expertise to a student's arsenal. We keep our eyes on the future, while our feet firmly rooted in the present. In an exciting association with National Skill Development Council and engaging the best in the industry and domain experts, KL has introduced methods to educate students in skills necessary for the future, like big data and analytics, Internet of Things, artificial intelligence and machine learning, cybersecurity and forensics, applied signal processing, robotics, renewable energy, and many more. Technical clubs in all the departments allow students to interact with like minds and grow further. Research in all domains is given as much importance as academics. KL is at the forefront of industrial and academic research, with 2,000-plus active researchers, 7,000-plus research publications, and 50-plus patents. Needs of the common man are the most important for us at KL, be it our research in big data, helping us to map out weather patterns, to enhance satellite communications, or map DNA. The Government of India supports our endeavors fully, as evidenced by their aid in the form of more than rupees 40 crore. Everything at KL is geared towards providing our students a clear shot at their dream career. All registered students over the past 14 years have placed to companies, resulting in our proud 100% placement rate. More than 50 companies have offered salaries larger than 5 lakhs annum in 2017 and 18. KL provides launchpads for the career progressions of every individual student. Coaching and mentoring services are available for GRE, TOEFL, IELTS, GATE, and civil service. To further hone the entrepreneurial spirit, we have a government-sanctioned business incubator and center for innovation and entrepreneurship to nurture student-led startups. Life at KL is a plethora of great times spent with like-minded people in an environment conducive to creativity and growth. We host national-level techno and cultural fests, where students are given a platform to display their talent and more than 70 hobby clubs to explore said talent. They stay fit at our world-class sports arenas and gyms, and nourished at their choice of 8 multi-cuisine cafeterias. As a testament to excellence, KL is an NAACA grade-accredited university and has formed partnerships with over 64 foreign universities with exchange programs to deliver a truly global exposure to our students. Semester abroad and twinning programs give the students a global exposure. With its sights set far above the horizon, KL is bringing global education to everyone with their launch of the new campus in Hyderabad. Designed by the world-renowned architects Woods Bagot, the state-of-the-art campus is being built to international standards. It's easy to be part of the crowd and follow, but it's difficult to be different and stand out. At KL, we do not believe in simply teaching. We believe in creating global personalities who stand out with KL. KL, deemed to be university.